If you've got Steam installed on your Mac and you've recently uninstalled some games, you may find that they still appear in your Launchpad despite having been uninstalled in Steam and no longer being present in the Applications folder. The reason they still appear is that macOS doesn't only look in the main Applications folder for apps to add to Launchpad, it also looks inside your user's specific Applications folder. Steam automatically puts a shortcut to the game in your user applications folder when you install a game, and leaves it there when you uninstall it, so you have to delete the shortcuts manually. Open your Mac's SSD and double click on the users folder. Now look for your macOS username, in my case that's just user. Now open the applications folder. Inside this folder you'll find that there are shortcuts to the Steam games you've uninstalled. Highlight the icons for the games you've uninstalled and drag them to the trash. Then empty your trash. And that's it, the icons should now be gone from Launchpad.